seems as if the post one got broken down, so there's a transfer of the mail. Somebody come up, maybe a supervisor. I don't see the post office closed. Yes, he's also in green. Some fix it. That's it. The lady that usually does the mail and the Caribbean guy. So that's the two mail van. Obviously one broken down, so there's a transfer. And there comes the black vehicle now. It's supposed to be the fix it. You see what happened? See what's the thing when you're dealing with people mail. There have been a mail delivery. Alright, the first one start up. So the girl had the first one, and switch over to the guy, give her water. Let's see what's going down. There goes the mail. Fix it, move. The van that had broken down is moving. Move and stop. He's putting it back to where it was. I wonder why. Yeah, that Jesus, cause all I am expecting 2 meals today. He's getting back out. I think he want the woman to go before him. That's nice. Just want to make sure she's okay. No, she moved off her. The post office is not far away. Boat is gone. There goes the black of the breakdown mail van.